What's up, y'all? You know who it is. Vincent Ford, certified personal trainer for over 25 years. And this is how to perform the dumbbell press correctly. Let's jump right in. Hold the dumbbells in both hands, and you can either stand or sit to perform this exercise. I prefer to sit. You want to sit with your back firmly against the seat, neutral spine, feet firmly placed on the floor, with arms bent at a 45-degree angle. Elbows should not be behind your body, but even with your waist or slightly toward the front to alleviate stress on the rotator cuff. Press the dumbbells up to full arm extension overhead without locking the elbows, and then return to starting position. Things to keep in mind. This can be a high-risk exercise for older people by placing the low back in a stressful position. Seated presses may also place excessive compression forces on the vertebral column. If this is you, then you might want to consider some alternative exercises like the upright row and lateral raises. All your movements should be controlled. As you can see, I prefer to do a light warm-up set first to get some blood flowing into the shoulders before I go into the working set. Now, your breathing should also be natural and controlled. I like to take a deep breath right before I start the pressing motion, also called the concentric phase or shortening of the muscle, and I breathe out as I press. And then I inhale as I lower the weight, which is known as the eccentric phase or lengthening of the muscle. All in all, this is one of the most effective exercises for developing the overall shoulder. Take your time with it, and don't start out with a weight that is too heavy to control and not so light that you end up doing 20 reps with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Y'all have a great day.